Hi guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base faucet website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free by earning website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Litecoin every 0 minute. This much Satoshi of Litecoin this website pay you. And first of all, go to your faucet, pick up your Litecoin wallet orders from deposit. Click copy it and come in this website link available in the description, and come here, paste your Litecoin wallet address and just come down and click the login. Solve the capture. First of all, I solved the recapture, then I solve this capture, and just I click verify and show me a sponsor link. I just click the sponsor link to show me a short link. That's too easy, not too hard. First of all, solve that capture and just click here to continue. Wait 50 seconds. After 50 seconds, just click continue and come down and just click continue and just click continue in the down button. And after that, show you another 50 seconds short link and come down, just click this continue to show you another continue button in here. Just click this one, and this is another 50 seconds, and this is the last one for 20 seconds. This is the last one, and this will be the time will be down. You will be able to claim your free Satoshi. And come down, just click get the link, and you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly in my faucetpay. I go to my faucet to show you the withdrawal proof of this website, and you can see I received my free Satoshi of Litecoin. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.